Hello everyone, this is Ashmita from Sourav Sir Classes, and we are focusing on future tenses in this video. Let us first talk about what is all about this future tense. Future, the word talks about something which is yet to happen. And you all know you basically use this word future regularly, right? You use this word very often. So, future means something which is not yet taken place, which is unpredictable, which we might have the chance to change, but sometimes luck also favors, right? So, yes, let's talk about this future tense or future timing tense, and we are going to also talk about the different forms of future tense over here, okay, which has four types. Let's focus on the definition first. We are firstly talking about the simple future tense, or we sometimes also call this as the future indefinite tense. So, this is mostly used with a subject. Then we can use either will or a shall. Okay, anyone you can use, and then the base form of the verb, and then obviously the object, because the sentence has subject, verb, and the object. So this entire section is the verb form, and the first one is the subject, second one is the object. So subject plus verb plus the object makes a sentence. So yes, we can say that he or she or it, I, we, they, these would be the subjects with will or shall, anyone you're using. And then we have the verb form, and then obviously the object would be there. Let's go through the examples. It will rain tomorrow. So it will definitely rain tomorrow, something which is yet to happen. It might rain tomorrow. Okay, it's like that. Or there is 99% possibility that it will rain tomorrow. So, yes, that's it. Like, this is the subject, and will rain is the verb, and tomorrow is the object. So, like that, we can apply it to all the sentences. Okay, it would be they will, little bit of misprint. They will leave for Glasgow next Monday. So will leave. Okay, will leave. So that's a part of future tense, will or shall, and then the verb form. I shall or will go to school today. So today will go. So the student has not yet visited school today. He or she will go to school today. So yes, shall or will we can use go to school today. She will play the guitar at a cultural festival. So she will play. She will definitely play, but it is yet to happen. They will finish their work by tomorrow morning, so will finish. You shall not break this window glass by your hands. So, shall not break means it's a bit of a negative sentence. So, you should not break. It's like that, okay? You should not break. Let's move over to the other parts or forms of this future tense. Focusing on future progressive, or we also call this as the continuous tense. So we are having the subject, then will or shall, then addition of be, okay, and then the present participle, and then the object. So let's directly move over to the sentences or examples. He will be watching. So subject is he, will be, will is there as mentioned in the formula or structure, and will be is there, and then the verb form is there, and just because it's in continuous tense, it would be fulfilled with the addition of ing after the verb. So obviously, using ing after the verb, the tv, this is the object, okay? So he will be watching the tv at 8 p.m. Next, he is going to be watching the TV at 8 p.m. Is going to be watching. Okay, is going to be watching. So again, is going to be. So is going to be will also be in future tense, because is going to be watching. Because it might happen that like someone is going to watch. Like no one knows, but it might happen, like is going to watch, okay, the TV at 8 p.m. So that is also in future tense. Randy Orton will be fighting tonight with Roman Reigns. So will be fighting. So again, will, then a be, then fight is the verb, addition of ing. So future progressive tense or future uh, continuous tense. She will be writing the answers to all the questions in an examination. So will be write plus ing. She will be singing at tonight's concert. So will be sing plus ing. Malinga will be playing as a captain in this ICC cricket tournament. So will then be then play plus ing. All right. Next, future perfect tense. So in future perfect tense, we are going to use have or has. Okay, mostly mostly it would be have only. Let's check the sentences. Okay, let's first check the formula. First, we have the subject, will. Then, as I've already told, most of the sentences will be having have. Then the past participle, then the object. So, he will have played the game. First of all, this is the perfect form. Whenever we are using perfect tense, we are going to use has, have, had, depending on the tense we are using it with. So, he will. Will is a part of the future tense. So, future perfect, this is only future perfect, so that is why we can use the verb as it is or in the past tense. He will have played the game. So he will have played the game. He is going to have played the game. I shall have played cricket in college. She will have baked a cake for tomorrow's event. They will have arrived in New York for their concert. I will have stopped looking at her when she comes near me. Okay, so will have stopped. Next is future perfect progressive or continuous tense. So over here we are going to talk about the future tense means will or shall, perfect means have, and then progressive or continuous tense means verb plus ing. Till now it was only the verb, and now we are going to add ing to the verb. Okay, let's see the structure. Subject, will have been. Okay, so will have been, then the present participle, then the object, then the time reference. I will have been watching the TV for over 1 hour before you join me. So will, as I've already told, have been. Okay, have been would be there, and then watch plus ing. Okay, so that's the form how you can use this. I'm going to have been watching the TV for over 1 hour before you join me. So I'm going, okay, I'm going to have been watching. Next, you shall have been coming to our wedding ceremony. I will have been waiting for this moment for so long. So will, shall, then have been, then come plus ing. This is what future, perfect, continuous, or progressive tense means. First, we're using will or shall. Perfect means have been, then the verb plus ing because it's in continuous tense. Okay, there are more sentences waiting for you. They will have been watching movies on the laptop before he comes. So will, future, have been, future perfect, watching, progressive tense. So future perfect progressive tense. Where will you have been waiting for me before I reach? So will you have been waiting? So will, future tense. You will not be there actually. You shouldn't have been kept in bold. So will have been waiting. Okay, have been is a part of the perfect tense, and of course waiting progressive tense. So yeah, that's it for today's video. There's a chart with which you can follow easily these type of things. Okay, like they have also given some examples. All right, so yes, if you want to have more extensive classes with me, then you can join our classes. And thank you for being with me till the end. Let's focus on other topics in my other videos.